Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be seeing trick to find hybridization for inorganic compounds as well as for organic compounds, along with a bonus tip. At the end of the video, you will be able to solve all the questions regarding this topic. So, let us proceed. For inorganic compounds, trick number 1, hybridization is equal to half into valency electrons minus charge plus number of monovalent atoms. Valency electrons. For lithium, valency electron is 1. For beryllium, valency electron is 2. For boron family, valency electrons are 3. For carbon family, valency electrons are 4. For nitrogen as well as nitrogen family, valency electrons are 5. For oxygen family, valency electrons are 6. For fluorine family, valency electrons are 7. For neon family, valency electrons are 8. Half into valency electrons minus charge plus number of monovalent atoms. What do you mean by monovalent atoms? Monovalent atoms are hydrogen and halogens. Fluorine, halogens are fluorine, chlorine, bromine as well as iodine. Okay. Trick number 2 for inorganic compounds. We have to calculate the total valency electrons. If the total valency electrons are less than 8 or equal to 8, then we have to divide that value by 2. If the total valency electrons are greater than 8, then we have to divide that value by 8. Don't panic. I will solve the questions so that you understand this trick much more better. Trick to find hybridization for organic compounds. First of all, draw the structure of the compound to find hybridization easily. If carbon is surrounded by 4 single bonds, hybridization is sp3. If carbon is surrounded by 1 double bond and 2 single bonds, then hybridization is sp2. If carbon is having 1 triple bond or 2 continuous double bonds, then hybridization is sp. So let us see the bonus tip. How to find number of lone pairs. Number of lone pairs is equal to hybridization minus number of bonded atoms. You will be clear with this topic when I solve the questions. So let us solve some questions. Find the hybridization and number of lone pairs for the following. First question, BF3. This question was asked in NEET 2021. So let us solve. We know that BF3 is an inorganic compound. So we are using the trick number 1. The formula is half into valency electrons minus charge plus number of monovalent atoms. So half into, what is the valency electrons for boron? For boron as well as boron family, the valency electrons are 3. Half into valency electrons minus charge. What is the charge for BF3? It is 0. Plus number of monovalent atoms. What are the monovalent atoms? Hydrogen as well as halogens. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. There are 3 fluorines. So number of monovalent atoms are 3. So 3 is the hybridization. That means it belongs to sp2 hybridization. So let us find the next trick. How to find number of lone pairs? Lone pairs is equal to hybridization minus number of bonded atoms. So number of lone pairs is equal to, what is the hybridization? 3 minus number of bonded atoms. Here there are 3 fluorines bonded to 1 boron. Therefore, number of bonded atoms are 3. So 3 minus 3 gives 0. So number of lone pairs are 0. Second question, PCl5. PCl5 is also an inorganic compound, so I am applying the trick number 1. Half into valency electron minus charge plus number of monovalent atoms. What is the valency electron for phosphorus? Phosphorus belongs to nitrogen family, so the valency electrons are 5. 5 minus, what is the charge for PCl5? 0. Number of monovalent atoms, there are 5 chlorines, so monovalent atoms are also 5. So hybridization is 5. That means it belongs to sp3d hybridization. So let us find the number of lone pairs. Number of lone pairs is nothing but hybridization. What is hybridization? 5 minus number of bonded atoms. Here there are 5 chlorines bonded to 1 phosphorus. Therefore number of bonded atoms are 5. 5 minus 5, 0. Therefore there are no lone pairs in PCl. Third one, water. Fourth one, SF6. Please try these 2 questions and comment me in the comment box. I will give the answers in the description box. Fifth question, NO2. So I am applying trick number 1. What is the trick number 1? Half into valency electrons for nitrogen is 5. 5 minus charge is 0 and number of monovalent atoms. There are no monovalent atoms here. There are only 2 oxygens. Oxygen is not a monovalent atom. Only hydrogen and halogens are monovalent. So 0. So it is actually 2.5. So we don't have specific hybridization for 2.5. If the value is 2, it belongs to sp hybridization. If it belongs to 3, then it belongs to sp2 hybridization. So it is between these 2 and 3. So we are not sure with whether it belongs to sp hybridization or sp2. So in this case, where trick number 1 is not applicable, I am going to proceed with trick number 2. So let us find the total procedure is wrong. Okay. Trick number 2, let us find the total valency electrons. For nitrogen, the valency electrons, again see this box. This box will be very useful to calculate the number of valency electrons. For nitrogen, valency electron is 5 and there are 2 oxygens. For 1 oxygen, the valency electrons are 6. So the value is 17. So this value is actually greater than 8. If the total valency electrons are greater than 8, it is actually 17 is greater than 8. So I am dividing this value by 8. 17 divided by 8, 8 2s are 16, 1. So we have to add remainder as well as the quotient. What is it? 3. The value is 3. So 3 is the hybridization. Hybridization is 3. That means it belongs to sp2 hybridization. The value of the remainder denotes the number of lone pairs. So that the number of lone pairs are 1 lone pair. Okay. Sixth question, methane, CH4. We know that methane is an organic compound. So for organic compounds, draw the structure of the compound to find hybridization easily. So I am going to draw the structure of methane. Methane has a central carbon atom surrounded by 4 hydrogen atoms. Since it is having 4 sigma bonds surrounding carbon atom, 4 sigma bonds surrounding the carbon atom, it belongs to sp3 hybridization. Next part, find the number of lone pairs. How to find the number of lone pairs? We are using this tip. Lone pairs is equal to hybridization minus number of bonded atoms. What is the hybridization? 4. number of bonded atoms. There are 4 hydrogen atoms bonded to a single carbon. Therefore, number of bonded atoms are 4. 4 minus 4 gives 0. There are no lone pairs in methane. 7th question, acetylene. Acetylene is also an organic compound. So I am going to draw the structure of acetylene. It has 2 carbon atoms connected by a triple bond. Since it is having a triple bond, it belongs to sp hybridization. How to find the number of lone pairs? Number of lone pairs is equal to hybridization minus number of bonded atoms. Since the hybridization is sp, putting 2. How many bonded atoms are there? There are 2 hydrogens bonded to carbons. Therefore, number of lone pairs is equal to 0. 8th question, carbon dioxide. For better understanding, I am going to find the hybridization of carbon dioxide using both the tricks. Using trick number 1. Using this formula, half into valency electrons minus charge plus number of monovalent atoms. What is the valency electron for carbon? 4. What is the charge of carbon dioxide? 0. Number of monovalent atoms. There are no monovalent atoms. There are 2 oxygen atoms. There is no halogen and there is no hydrogen. Therefore, the hybridization is sp hybridization. This value will be 2. Therefore, the hybridization is sp hybridization. Using trick number 2, we have to calculate the total valency electrons. How to find the total valency electrons? This box will be useful. For carbon dioxide, we have 1 carbon and 2 oxygens. For 1 carbon, valency electrons are 4. And for 2 oxygen, for 1 oxygen, the valency electron is 6. So 2 into 6 gives 16. So after finding the total valency electrons, we have to be very careful. If the total valency electron is less than 8 or equal to 8, then you have to divide that particular value by 2. But here, this value is greater than 8. Then what we have to do? We have to divide that particular value by 8. Here 16 divided by 8 gives 2. Therefore, the hybridization, the quotient will be the hybridization 2. Therefore, it belongs to sp hybridization. The remainder value will give you the number of lone pairs. Therefore, there are no lone pairs in